You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I do appreciate it. When I saw this candy dispenser in the hardware store, I think it was Home Depot, but it could have been Menards. They both have food sections now, and you never know. You never know when you need a candy dispenser. You're buying a set of pliers or something, and you look upon the candy dispensers and say, hey, I don't have that Jelly Belly one. And it might have even been on some kind of clearance section. I don't remember. I've had it for about a month, just sitting here waiting for a video. And then these here, the Jelly Belly Snapples, Butch and I showed you in a previous video. It was a shout out video. And then the Jelly Belly Recipe Mix. 2 flavors in every bean. I thought it would be a good addition. So I had the beans first, and then added that into my collection. So inside, it's hard to see, but there's very colorful looking Jelly Bellies in a factory. Let's see the back here. Jelly Belly Factory Bean Machine. Watch Mr. Jelly Belly as he makes jelly beans in the Jelly Belly factory. Animated Mr. Jelly Belly rotates to serve up a scoop of jelly beans fresh from the pan. Perfect for use at home or in the office. The Jelly Belly Factory Bean Machine holds 8 ounces of your favorite Jelly Belly jelly beans. Wow, a lot going on there, 8 ounces. Well, this is 3.5, and then this is 3.5, and then somewhere I read it said there was a packet inside underneath. Let's see, well, there's nutritional facts. We know there's something in there, and then no batteries needed. Push lever for Mr. Jelly Belly to dispense. Oh, there's an expiration date of August 27, 2020 for the candy inside. Let's just see. Okay, so it is taped shut. Let's get this out of the package, and then I will set it up with you, and we will check it out and see how it works. This goes in my little collection of Jelly Belly and candy dispensers. Okay, that's what they give you. A tiny, tiny bag of Jelly Belly, and they look like standard Jelly Belly flavors. While I'm here, I might as well just do this so that we can check it out much quicker. I won't stop. I will keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, so how many of you parents watching buy food from either Home Depot or Menards? Or candy. They have a nice candy selection at both of those establishments. Well, there's the inside. I wanted to show that to you because from there it looked pretty colorful. I'd have to tilt it up a little bit like this and angle in the light so you can see what's going on in there. So you have all the different Jelly Bellies in a factory setting. Almost looks some kind of spinner. What are those called? They're in Gold Rush. They spin them and then the rocks come out, but these are for Jelly Bellies. He's pouring a bag of sugar or something in the back. This says Top Secret Recipes. And then he's spraying some stuff on them there. They all look like they're having a blast with their Jelly Bellies. Okay, let's get this out. There we go. 1 and 2. So no batteries. You're just pulling the lever. I don't see any instructions. It just said fill it up. Okay. Let's check out what they sent us here. I mean, what they gave us. So it's just a regular old mini pack of assorted Jelly Bellies. Okay, so let's turn this down. I'm going to check out the other Jelly Bellies in just a second. I want to see. So what's happening is you're pushing the lever. It's turning something somewhere. Ooh, it's doing something down here. Ooh, it's a little dusty. Dusty for being in the store. I'm assuming the other chamber was sealed, so it should be pretty clean. But let's just give this a little wipe down while we're here. It is open in the store. Okay, there we go. Okay. So let's see what happens. So he's doing his thing. Do you think there was a scoop there that broke off? Oh, maybe that's why it was on clearance. I bet you that's what it is. I got me a defective one. Let me see. Didn't break off here. Yep. No wonder why it was on clearance. Oh boy, that's not fair. Okay, so you're supposed to do this, and a scoop is supposed to catch them, I think. Does it show a better picture of it on the box? Yes, see this big metal scoop? That's what I'm missing. How sad is that? Well, I'm going to eat these anyway. So parents, if you're shopping and looking because you like dispensers like me, make sure you don't get a broken one. It's been too long. I don't think I even have the receipt. All right, let me get a couple bowls here and we'll sort these out. All right. That's too bad. I guess you just got to be more observant when you're shopping. All right, so this is the recipe mix. So there is s'mores, PB&J, blueberry muffin, lemon meringue pie, and chocolate-covered bananas. All in my little pack here. Okay. Woo, I dropped one. So let's just get these organized here. Well, let me open up this pack now. This is fruit punch, mango, cranberry, pink lemonade, and kiwi. Let's get these in a little container here. Okay, so now I can sort them out. So let me do that. All right, since I have the Jelly Belly first, let's see. Fruit punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see 5 different colors in there? That itself is a challenge. Let me just take out the colors that I see, which are unique. Really? There must be something so close in here. This one maybe? Yep, there's the 5 colors. Now how to match those up to the pack? I don't know. We got a bright purple there. We got a Mango Madness. I think that's Mango Madness. I do not see a purple one, unless it's this one. And then you have Cranberry Raspberry, which I think is this one. And then Kiwi Strawberry, which I think is that one. And then Pink Lemonade, which I think is that one. Let me switch these around. So Mango Madness. Here's Mango Madness. Very nice flavor. I like that. Let me load them up. Now that I've sorted them. Okay. And then this pack is s'mores, which is like this one. This is s'mores. And then PB&J, which I believe is this one. Okay. And then blueberry muffin, which is this one. It's got little blue specks. Lemon meringue. This one's got a little lemon. And then the last one is chocolate covered banana. So there, let me bring this out. So there's all the different flavors. Okay. Here, you want to see them up close so you can visualize? I'm going to try a chocolate covered banana. Well, bananas in general are not my favorite fruit, but it does taste like that. Lemon meringue. Ooh, very lemony. Very nice. That one I like. Blueberry muffin. I didn't try the other ones like that. I think I just had a toy go off in the background. Did you hear that? It's in a bin somewhere. Yeah, it's good. Nice blueberry flavor. Peanut butter and jelly. I don't think I like that one. You get it, but nothing beats real peanut butter. And then s'mores, which is this one. I like them. Well, who would have known I had a broken dispenser? Well, that's probably the maximum. Ooh. Mixing them. Well, it's nowhere near as cool now. Quite upsetting, if you ask me. All right. It's been over a month. I don't think they will. There we go. So these are all the ones that were originally in there. So it's happening back here. The little lever here is opening something in there, but I feel like I've jammed it. Yeah. If this is any indication why it's on clearance, I hope I've helped you. Let's see. Oh, what's this green one? What was the green speckled one? Is that the blueberry? No. That one's mint. It's like bubblegum. It must have been in the original pack. I do want to try these other Snapple flavors. So let's try this one. I think I like the Snapples over the other ones. Very nice. Here's pink lemonade. I tried the mango. The dark one is fruit punch. Yeah, I do like them. I think maybe I like the fruit flavors and flavors that are trying to be something else. You know what I mean? All right. Well, that is a total fail. So it looks like one at a time. One. Two at a time. One. I don't know. I don't know what else to tell you. Be careful if you're trying to find one of these. Remember when I first did it, there was a whole bunch. So maybe when you put too much in. Yeah, 2 and 1 at a time, it seems like the average. All right, well, the Snapple ones, I like the most. Out of these, I like the blueberry muffin. I think that was my favorite. And I do like the artwork on the inside of the box. I'll see. Maybe they still have them in stock. I'll be able to walk in there and say, hey, I got one that was broken and missing. I don't know. And thanks for watching, everybody. I do have a Jelly Belly playlist, so if you have time and you want to check out more videos, it would definitely help out the channel, and it would help me out, and I do appreciate it. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.